Hi, sixth graders. So in this video, I'm just going to explain the directions for the homework this week. And so you are going to pick one of these three options below. Do not do all three, just pick one. You are going to click on it. I'm just going to go through and explain each one individually. So if you pick option one, this one is called Talking Minnesota. So I want you to interview at least 3 people outside your class or school. You are allowed to interview as many as 5 people. So between the lowest number you can do is 3 people, the highest is 5. Try to find people who are different ages. Explain to them that you are researching a question for your history class. Ask for permission to write down their response so you can share it with your class. Ask the question, what do you think of when you hear the word Minnesota? So down below, you are going to write their name after where it says name of person 1, how you know them, and what do they think of when they hear the word Minnesota. So let's say I interview my friend. So I'm going to say, my friend's name is Emily. Friend, for how I know them, and what do they think of when they hear the word Minnesota. So I talk to her and she says lake. So that's all I have to do. So it's just a one-word response. Maybe they give you a whole sentence. Make sure you write down what they tell you, okay? So you're just going to go through just like that and do each person. Our next option is called Touching Minnesota. This is a PowerPoint slide. So you are going to gather 3 objects that say something about Minnesota. So your first item is going to be a personal item or household item. So either something that you have lying around in your house or something that is special to you for some reason. Your second item is going to be from outside your home. So for this option, you are going to take a walk maybe outside or just go in your backyard. Find something from outside. And you get to pick your third item. Your third item can be anything. You are going to upload photos of your items into this Google Slide presentation. So if you need help figuring out how to upload photos, please email me and I can tell you how to do that. But the easiest way to do that is if you have a phone, you can take a picture on your phone and press email and email the photo to your CPA email. Then you can drag the photo from your email onto these slides. Another way to do this, you all have cameras on your computer. So if you can figure out, I'm not exactly sure how on your computers you can take a photo, but if that is an option that you would like to do, just email me and I can help you figure it out. So once you upload your photo, you're going to just put it here and say, why does this show something about Minnesota? So let's say I do this coffee cup. And this coffee cup is actually, I would say, my personal item because this has the name of my college on it, which I got in Minnesota. This school is in Minnesota. So I would take a picture of my coffee mug, put it right in this part of the slide, and then I would write underneath, this coffee cup shows the name of my college, which is in Minnesota and is special to me. It symbolizes why I came to Minnesota, why I moved here in the first place, because I went to college here. Okay, now you are just going to go through that for each of these slides. Our last option is called Seeing Minnesota. Imagine that you have just come from a distant place to Minnesota and you are seeing it for the first time. Record what you see that says Minnesota to you. You may record your observations with words, sketches, or both. Include images of the landscape, human-made structures, and other details that you notice. So if you are someone who likes to use your imagination a lot, this would be the perfect one for you. So you can just pretend that you are from a different country or a different place and you've never been to Minnesota before. And as you're flying down from the plane or you're arriving here by car, what do you first see when you get to Minnesota? What does it look like? What does it smell like? What do you hear? You can use all your 5 senses to help you write. And I'm just looking for a paragraph. You don't have to write so much. I'm going to write that after this. And if you would like to just draw, you can also just draw. So you can draw what you imagine you would see if you're someone who came here for the first time. What does Minnesota look like to you? So if you have any questions about any of these homework options, you can email me or comment on the post below. All right, good luck, 6th grade.